Okay, again, we're solving using the quadratic formula for this problem right here. And our first step is always to make sure that it equals 0, and this one does not equal 0. So we need to get rid of that minus 6. So what we are going to do is we are going to add 6 to both sides. And that becomes your c value, because I can see here this is my a because of the x squared, my b is 9x, and this is going to be my c. So I'm going to go ahead and write that here. 10x squared minus 9x plus 6 now equals 0, because this zeroed out right here. All right, my a is the number in front of x squared. So if I look right here, that is 10. So my a is 10. My b is the number in front of x. So if I look, that's a negative 9. Make sure you take that negative. And then my c is the number by itself here at the end, or constant, is a positive 6. So my c is 6. So we're going to plug it in to our formula. Remember, you're always given the formula. We have it color-coded here. We're going to start with this b and a b. So I have two b's. And if I look here, my b is negative 9. And we always use parentheses. So you're typing negative 9 here and a negative 9 here. Then I have a here on top and on bottom. So my a is positive 10. So in parentheses, I have positive 10 here, and in parentheses, I have positive 10 here. And then my last is my c at the very end of that square root, and my c is positive 6. So in parentheses, I'm going to put positive 6. All right, once we have filled in all the numbers, let's figure out what this first part is. So two negatives, a negative and negative give you a positive. So right here, we're going to make that a positive 9. So positive 9. On the bottom, we have 2 times 10. So on the bottom, we're going to put 20, because 2 times 10 is 20. And then on the next part is we got to figure out what's in the square root. So we are going to use Desmos, and we're going to type in this. We will not type in the square root. We're just typing what's in the square root. So we're going to pull up our calculator, and we're going to start with the parentheses. Negative 9, close parentheses, squared. Don't forget the squared. Minus 4, parentheses, 10. And then parentheses 6. And we get negative 159. So I'm going to go ahead and put negative 159. On the next video, we'll continue this and solve it.